Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, you remember uJulius Mkhwanazi lo kwakuthiwa uyi-enabler Khethi Matlala uVusumuzi. Oh, this guy, you know, he wasn't suspended. He's still not suspended. But what happened was that he was nikeza any special leave so that he can have access to the office and noma yini ayithandayo as protected there at Ekurhuleni. He put the blue lights on all the cars zakhet Matlala ngathi he actually works for the municipality when he doesn't. That guy is still not suspended, guys. Apparently, instead he's just on leave. That guy is doing as he pleases still. The law expects, we're just like, you know what, abantu bazenzela, they're busy threatening them, they're busy like, no, you'll be arrested. But what's crazy is that Mkhwanazi, the way he was speaking with General Mkhwanazi, they can't make those things up. They have proper allegations around these people, which means they did investigate them, they know exactly who they are, they know exactly what they did. My thing is that all of them, they should be jailed. Even the law experts are saying the same thing. Then they should be in jail. Including umchulu nje bathi sebechithe lapha emngcwabeni kaNathi umuntu esefaka ama-sunglasses. Fanele bengabe basejele labo bantu labo. Abantu abenza izinto esabisa kanje. And you know why these things they remain threats, ne? Uyambona ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani mangabe ekhuluma ushada. It's like umuntu angixoshe. People must just fire me. Like, why are they keep on threatening me? I was supposed to be arrested last year. As per Mkhwanazi, that's what he said. This is why sometimes we find Nyamzwela when he's at the ad hoc, mese bemgiva bemtshela the way. How can you be a commissioner in nice kanji? There's nothing like this. You must do proper things. You are the boss, and Umchunu is not. You brothers, is just chilling there doing nothing.